TubeMagic AI offers a suite of features designed to facilitate and enhance the process of YouTube automation for creators. According to AI Guy, the tool addresses crucial aspects beyond just video ideas and equipment, focusing on optimization and leveraging AI for efficiency. Here's how TubeMagic AI helps. 1. Ideation and research ***. Video ideas generation **TubeMagic AI can generate video ideas based on a user handle. By analyzing existing content, it can provide relevant video concepts. For example, it generated ideas for AI Guy and even suggested content that aligns with what Mr. Beast typically creates. This feature helps automate the initial brainstorming process for video content. Community post creation *. The tool can generate community posts, including text and polls, potentially inspired by channels like Mr. Beast. This can automate engagement with the audience beyond videos. Video research *. Users can research videos within their niche by entering keywords and applying filters like subscriber count, view count, and date. This helps identify trending topics and successful video formats to model. The AI suggests focusing on channels with 10,000 to 100,000 subscribers and videos with 10,000 to 100,000 views within the last month to find trending content. Keyword research TubeMagic AI allows users to research keywords by providing search volume data. This helps creators target popular and specific terms to increase discoverability. Niche Explorer This feature helps users discover potentially high-paying niches by providing a list of top niches along with their approximate RPM, revenue per mil, and model channels. This automates the often challenging process of niche selection. AI Guy himself used this feature to find the niche for his Anunnaki movie tutorial. 2. Script writing ***. Script generation TubeMagic AI can generate various types of video scripts based on user input, including general scripts, scripts for YouTube Shorts, how-to scripts, script outlines, and list video scripts. Users can even select the desired word count, which roughly corresponds to video length. This significantly speeds up the script writing process. Video to new scripts A particularly powerful automation feature allows users to paste a link to an existing YouTube video, and TubeMagic AI will generate a new, unique script inspired by the source video. This enables creators to model successful content ethically and efficiently. 3. Uploading and optimization ***. Warp upload **. This feature streamlines the uploading and optimization process by analyzing an unlisted YouTube video link and automatically generating a title, description with optional timestamps, and video tags. It also allows users to preview custom thumbnails. This saves significant time in manually optimizing video metadata. Video titles Users can paste a video link, their own or a competitor's, to get multiple title options based on the existing title, helping to optimize for click-through rate. Video descriptions with timestamps TubeMagic AI can generate video descriptions and automatically include timestamps, which improves viewer experience and engagement. Video tags The tool can generate essential video tags based on keywords related to the video's content. These tags are crucial for YouTube's algorithm to understand and rank videos in search results, increasing organic reach. AI Guy emphasizes the importance of tags, showing how 8% of the views on his 10-hour YouTube automation course came from YouTube search due to proper tagging. Users can also input keywords to generate relevant tags. In summary, TubeMagic AI automates and enhances various stages of YouTube content creation, from initial idea generation and research to script writing and crucial SEO optimization elements like titles, descriptions, and tags. This allows creators to save time and focus on other aspects of their channel. While the AI-generated content may require some editing to ensure a human touch and high quality, TubeMagic AI provides a strong foundation for automating key processes in YouTube automation. TubeMagic AI is a paid tool, although a 7-day trial for $1 is available through a specific link.